Set up your user profile in Rally. Your Rally user profile contains the default settings for your account login and session and provides your team members with information about your role and contact details. In this video, you will learn how to set up your user profile in Rally, as well as learn some of the key settings that you can change at any time. While you can always accept the default settings, it's simple and easy to customize your profile from any place within Rally. To begin, select the Setup link in the upper right corner and then select Edit Profile. In this short video, we'll step through a few of the many ways that you might want to customize your profile. For instance, you might want to add a display name that's different from your given name, such as a nickname. And perhaps you don't want to stick with the generic smiley face, you want to upload a picture of your face or a picture that brings a smile to your face. First, let's take a look at how to add a display name, and then we'll look at how to add a custom profile image that better represents you. The name fields are configured by your workspace administrator, so if you leave the display name field blank, your first name and the first initial of your last name are used by default. But if you enter a nickname in the display name field, it's this name that appears on work items that you own in Rally. Anytime you edit your profile, you can make one or many changes. Just remember to confirm those changes by selecting Save. Now that I've shown you how to add a display name, let me show you how to add a custom profile image to replace that generic smiley. To upload an image, select Drag or click to upload image and then follow the prompts. When you upload an image, it's this image that displays when users hover over your username and will appear on some owner field dropdowns. Similar to your display name and image, one of the first and maybe most frequent things you may want to change is your password. To change your password, go to Edit Profile and select the Action menu. The Action menu is the ellipsis next to your email address at the top of your profile. When you select the Action menu, select Change Password from the options. A pop-up window then appears and guides you to enter your current and new password. Another important setting is the Enable Email Notification option. If you enable email notifications, you will receive an email each time a notification rule is triggered. Your subscription administrator must have enabled email notifications for your subscription for this checkbox to be active. If you don't enable email notifications, you can still see notifications by installing the My Notifications app on your dashboard or on a custom page. Now, we'll look at how to use My Settings to view or configure your settings, including how to create watches and notification rules. To get to My Settings, select the Setup link and then My Settings. You might see the Edit Profile pane to your right. Simply close this to see a full page view. Watches are a way to set up an email notification for when a particular work item you are interested in changes. You can view the list of work items that you are watching on the Watches page. If you go to Notification Rules, you can view notification rules and create new ones. To create a new rule, select the Actions menu. Then, select New Notification Rule and follow the prompts on the Create Notification Rules page. You can easily see what permissions have been assigned to you within your profile. If the Planner, Investment Admin, or Subscription Admin checkboxes have been selected within your profile, these permissions have been assigned to you. Only a subscription administrator can alter permissions. If you want to customize your page view, you can choose between 3 different page display preferences. Your selection will be applied to all pages in Rally with a board or list. You can also edit these from most pages within Rally. Choose Display Preferences from the Setup menu to see your options. Try out the Roomy display if you want to see as much information possible about one work item at a time, such as when you're discussing the details of a specific story. Check out Compact for times when you're scanning a list of work items, such as when you're checking the schedule state of all stories in a release. The comfortable display is especially helpful when you're sharing your view with a group of people and it's important to be able to read the display. You can try out each view to see what works best for your current needs and the size of the display you're using. Congratulations! Now you understand how to set up your profile, change your password, manage display settings, and notifications. To learn more about Rally and Agile practices, check out our blog and community. Like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss new content as it's added.